We're always trying to find new and interesting ways to do therapy. Therapy can get boring sometimes. Nobody wants to just do the little dumbbells and arm exercises or kicking, marching.
I love it. And that's a perfect name for a restorer because I've just had shoulder surgery. I had torn my rotator cuff.
It's kind of a fun way to work on those tasks that we need to work on to develop the function. So I'm looking at developing, increased independence as far as their dressing goes and their bathing goes and things along that nature. So by working on the standing tolerance or working on the range of motion, I'm able to enhance those tasks that I need to carry over into function.
Lifting right and left, I forget about anything. I forgot that this was therapy. It allowed me more mobility and it was easy to use.
I find it very helpful because it allows people to get better, get stronger, get more, able to do what they need to do, and they don't even realize they're doing therapy. They're playing a game, they're having fun.
And that allowed me to have more mobility in using it. I forgot all about the pain, forgot all about I was exercising. It was fun.
I like the fact that it's something all disciplines can use. Physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech therapy, any one of them.
I look at each patient individually and I just see the different things that I need to work on, and based on what I need to improve to get to a function, I will use the program to work on standing, to work on sitting, various range of motions in the upper body, things along that nature.
I think other therapy departments, and especially in this skilled nursing setting, it'd be very beneficial for them.
When you try anything for the first time, you become a little skeptical or a little nervous because you don't know what the outcome is and how this is going to work. But if you just go for it and say, you know what, today is a new day, I'm going to use this is going to help me, and keep your mind focused on that and be positive, you'll have a good time and you'll get your therapy in.